So it looks like it's raining. It's raining in Southern California. It's never happened before. It's never happened before. Oh, hey, what are you looking at? Anyways, it's crazy, but I like it. I like the rain because it cleanses. Earth is cleansing, so we need some cleansing. We do? Alright. Catch you later. Summer sweater. Oh. It's too cold. It's raining. It's wet. The rain is wet. What's up with the rain? The rain is wet. That's not possible. I'm getting wet in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Da-da-da. Look, it's raining. And it's fine. It's water. It's fine. Water. Too much water, huh? Maybe. But we need water. Ah! I'm getting wet! I don't like it. I don't like the rain because I get wet. Mommy. So turn off your sprinklers.